Every book and just about every website that I've read about clematis will tell you that the roots need to be cool. You need to cover the soil where the roots are to keep them really cool. This is a complete myth. Now, clematis roots like to be cool, just like every other plant you grow, but they don't have to be any cooler than anything else in your garden. Let me explain why. Commercial growers in California grow clematis in black pots sitting on the ground where they grow just fine. If heat were a problem, they would not use black pots, and they would shade the clematis in some way. More and more clematis are grown in containers, providing a very warm root zone. A lot of references suggest planting other plants right at the base of clematis to keep them cool. This is not a good idea. The other plants keep the crown too wet, which can lead to clematis wilt. More importantly, the other plants can compete with the clematis for root space, which is never a good thing. In colder climates, like my zone 5, we plant clematis a little deeper than normal. That's not due to the cold. We do that so that we don't get clematis wilt. And there's some question about whether clematis wilt actually exists, but that's another topic. By planting those roots a little deeper than normal, they're actually cooler than most plants. This is really not an issue. Plant your clematis a couple inches deeper than normal. Mulch. Don't plant other things at the base of the stems, and they'll do just fine. If you enjoyed this video, you're really going to like these two here. Happy gardening.